Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. And boy, do we have a show for you today. XRP Snail Pace could be the very thing that wins the race. So guys, without further ado, let's get to it. So guys, something that we're all having to hear and certainly endure in this XRP ecosystem is all the negativity and FUD that's being thrown our way because, of course, XRP is just moving along. It looks like at a turtle's pace, tinkety, 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 while we see other assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and they're just like the hair, boom, 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 and stuff like that. Now, guys, I want to ask you a question because this is a big deal. For those of you that have gotten in within the last 5, 6, 7, 8 months, have you reached your accumulation goals yet? Would you rather be paying $10, $12, $15 for your XRP to reach those goals, or would you rather be buying it at 53, 54, and 55 cents and waiting it out until you see that absolute massive move? Guys, it has been par for the course for XRP. Time and memorial, practically every bull run that we've ever gone through. XRP would just be moving along, looking like that turtle just kind of walking slowly down the road. You know how it is. While everything else just zooms by, boom, boom, boom. But then when it decides to move, I'll tell you what, it literally blows the ROI of all these other ones absolutely away. In 2017, you saw XRP shoot off and do over a 66,000%. 2021, still a 1,200%, knowing that it was absolutely suppressed by the SEC lawsuit and being delisted from every U.S. exchange save Uphold. I wonder how Ethereum and Bitcoin or any other asset in this space would fare under those conditions. I don't think any of them would do that well. XRP stayed in the top 10 for market cap that entire time. Now, guys, I honestly believe that what we're seeing now, this snail pace, could literally be the very thing that wins the race, that changes your life fundamentally and financially in a way that most anything else never could. Now, I want you to take a look at this article right over here. And boy, I'll tell you what, for Confluence, this is amazing. Now, just check this out right here. XRP lagging will turn out to be a good thing. Now, this is why. The price of XRP flat, trading in a narrow range. While many consider this boring, we believe is a good thing long term. Now, just listen to this right here. XRP has a great long-term chart. The chart structures are bullish. A long consolidation is a good thing and not a bad thing. If anything, Ripple, the company, keeps on finding ways to innovate on the XRP network. Faster payment settlement primarily remains the differentiator of leveraging the XRP technology. Ripple and the U.S. Faster Payments Council teamed up in 2023 for a global survey unveiling key insights into blockchain payment adoption. Ripple published fundamental insights that prove the growing value that the blockchain is able to deliver. One data point particularly was the result of a survey. Past surveying proved that leaders were bullish on blockchain and cryptocurrency technology for faster payments and believed in the potential of blockchain payment processing. Now these sentiments have materialized into real value. 77% of respondents note that using blockchain for payments is very beneficial or somewhat beneficial for their organization and customers. Over 60% suggested the same for customers using cryptocurrency for payments. As Ripple keeps on innovating, the market and demand for blockchain services keeps growing. Number one. Here's another one. There are not only technological breakthrough innovations by Ripple, but also the possibility of an XRP ETF. And we literally heard Brad Garlinghouse say there that it is inevitable to see other ETFs in this space, which of course includes XRP. And in fact, he came out and said he believes there's going to be baskets of these assets inside ETFs. Now, Ripple announced that an XRP ETF might be underway. Needless to say, this will bring momentum to the price of XRP. Ran through a lot with Sonia Baskik and Kaylee Lynch this AM why we've seen forced to rely on court's decision and not sound policy for regulatory clarity in the US. A potential XRP ETF, Ripple's recent acquisition, of course, of Standard Custody, and why Ripple continues to take, and Brad Garlinghouse, well, I believe it's going to be talking about how they take a position in all of these custody acquisitions and stuff like that. Now, that's number two, the possibility of an ETF in the meantime. Now, can you fathom? You're picking up XRP right now at 53, 54, 55 cents. Hey, it wasn't that long ago. We were able to get it at 30-some cents. And people were complaining about the price then. Now, here we are in the 50-cent range. Guys, I'm telling you what. We see something like an XRP ETF come out at any time. Let's say it's even 12 to 18 months down the road. What do you think that's going to do for the price of this ecosystem? It is going to send it flying. And are you going to care when you are picking it up into the 50 cents when you're absolutely seeing numbers like $5, $7, $12, $15 not on your life? Now, listen to this one right here. Long-term chart is very bullish. As explained in our XRP forecast of 2024 and XRP forecast $10 confirmed, a long consolidation is a good thing and not a bad thing, provided key support levels are respected. As said, and when will XRP finally break out? The right question to ask is not when exactly XRP will break out, because that's all three charts are featuring a completely different view and different charts patterns, confirm the bullish nature, but are also explosive characteristic of XRP. It's not an if, it's absolutely a when, and it will be breaking out. It is a fact that XRP as a cryptocurrency tends to stage, get this, what I was saying at the very beginning, accelerated moves in a very short period of time. The really important question is whether XRP owners are willing to wait until the big breakout move above 88 cents USD is going to happen. Guys, this space absolutely will definitely test your resolve. Now, in that 2017 run, where it was just moving at a snail's pace and tinkering along and tinkering along and tinkering along, do you realize how many people literally capitulated their positions? And then one day, bam, XRP took off and made multi-millionaires as a result. And it's kind of like the guy that went out there and staked a claim in the California gold rush, you know, and he's out there and he's chipping away, chipping away, chipping away. Finally, he just says, forget it, I give up. Puts his pick and his pan down, and he just goes home. Someone else comes along and says, hey, I'm going to give it a shot. Takes over that claim, digs for 5 days, and finds the mother lode. That's kind of what happened. And I'll tell you guys, it was something to behold. 66,000% from the low to the high. But do you know when most of that move happened? Right there at the very end, within a 3 to 6 week period. That's when it happened. And a lot of people had capitulated thinking, XRP is not going to go anywhere because everything else is popping off. Not looking at the fundamentals, not looking at what really was going on underneath the currents. And this little, turtle just kept walking until one day, pow, it absolutely shot off and literally went right through the stratosphere. And that's what they're saying is, are these XRP holders going to wait or are they going to capitulate? Now, between now and then, XRP owners remain patient because the structure of this long-term consolidation is bullish. Sooner or later, the big breakout will start. Now, they're showing down here, XRP. Look at this right here. So there is a divergence between the emotional result of consolidation, boring, and the chart, bullish. The long-term chart is bullish, in fact, very bullish, provided key support is respected. Now, XRP on the daily, it's bullish. Even on the lower time frame, we notice a bullish setup. The triangle visible on this chart is bullish as long as support is respected. And it becomes really clear when zooming in. The ongoing consolidation occurs below 66 cents, which is the 50% retracement level of the long retracement since the 2021 highs. This is a good thing and not a bad thing. Also notice that the resolution is near. Not later than April should XRP resolve, presumably to the upside, forced by the chart pattern. Guys, you can literally see it is getting squeezed right in there, and a breakout is literally right around the corner. That's what these guys are saying. In summation, we believe that the long XRP consolidation is a good thing. We may feel differently, certainly with AI coins breaking out, and of course all these other ones. As said in the Crypto Research Service, XRP is a buy and a hold. It should be complemented with AI coins that have more momentum. Guys, this is something else. You are literally hearing these guys, these TA guys, literally coming out and saying what we have been saying all along. Those of us that have lived through a prior bull run to see it happen. Look, XRP has lagged until one day, bang, off she flies. Now, I want you to take a look at this right over here. Forbes says XRP price is set for face-ripping rally. Now, here's why. In a recent article by Forbes, senior contributor Billy Brambaugh acknowledged the recent upswing among digital assets, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. XRP's 39.52% increase over the past year has captured attention, mirroring a broader market recovery. As Bitcoin surges past the 50,000 mark and the overall crypto market nears the 2 trillion threshold, analysts are revising their forecasts upward, potentially paving the way for further gains in XRP. Now, in this article, Brambaugh points out to leading market observers suggesting that Bitcoin can significantly enhance XRP's future. Look, Bitcoin is the primary driver right now of them all. It's got first mover advantage. It's got, name recognition, of course. And look, a rising tide definitely raises all ships, and we have absolutely seen the benefit of that in the past. Now, Mark Thielen, head of research at 10x Research, predicts a Bitcoin target of 57,000, citing 3 key factors fueling that optimism. The first is the impending Bitcoin halving happening in April. This event, occurring approximately every 4 years, reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are minted, potentially influencing their scarcity and value. The second is the growing institutional investor interest displayed through exchange-traded funds. Guys, we are seeing it, and we're seeing it big time. Do you realize how many billions of dollars are traded in XRP each and every day? Now, ask yourself this. Do you honestly think that that's retail out there buying the multiple billions upon billions upon billions? Guys, we know that it's not. It is literally institutional money that has been flowing through this space. Now, ETFs are going to even make that even more stupendous than what we can even fathom. The growing interest is a positive indicator for the broader market adoption and growth. Finally, the expectations of a potential shift in the Federal Reserve's monetary policy towards lower interest rates, and that is what we've been talking about in Coffee Chat, could fuel investor appetite for riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Echoing this sentiment, Ben Weiss, CEO of CoinFlip, highlights the global expansion of crypto innovations and the Bitcoin halving as catalysts for further growth. Influential figures like Anthony Scaramucci and Arthur Hayes have also predicted a significant upswing in the crypto market. driven by potential interest rate cuts, of course, and surging investor interest. Hayes, in particular, foresees a dramatic surge in Bitcoin's price, potentially reaching 1 million. Guys, we have always seen it. When we have seen Bitcoin's price surge up like that, and then that dominance starts to teeter off, what happens to this altcoin space? Money starts to flow into it like crazy, and things go absolutely wild. And the ROI oftentimes in the altcoin market, including XRP, far surpass the potential ROI that was saw in Bitcoin. Now, while Bitcoin's projected rise does not directly translate to an identical increase for XRP, analysts suggest a proportional impact is possible. Given Bitcoin's current price of $51,000 and reaching $1 million would represent a staggering 1,830% increase. Applying a similar percentage increase to XRP's current price of 54.66 cents, it would theoretically propel its value to approximately $10. Now, guys, there are TA folks out there calling for 10, 20, up to 27, 30, and of course, we have heard numbers even into the three figures should we literally see a utility bull run. It will be absolutely massive. Now, here are some additional consideration for XRP's potential growth. Beyond Bitcoin's influence, several factors specific to XRP could contribute to its future performance. The outcome of the ongoing legal battle with the SEC currently underway could significantly impact XRP's regulatory status and adoption within the financial sector. And guys, we know that XRP holds that distinction of the only digital asset with literally court-granted legal clarity as being not a security in the secondary market. And right now, we're looking at the potential of this case getting literally solved with the remedy phase. And I think a lot of people are going to be absolutely shocked to see what the final remedy is. It's not going to be anywhere near that $770 million, guys. I think it's going to be substantially less. Now, look at Library. The SEC wanted literally millions upon millions upon millions out of them. Do you know what it came out to at the very end? $111,000. Yep, that's right. I'm telling you guys, you could see something really stupendous happen here. Now, listen to this. Also, increased uses of XRP by banks and other financial institutions for cross-border payments could drive demand and price. Furthermore, continued advancements and broader adoption of RippleNet, which is Ripple Payments, a global payments network developed by Ripple, could enhance XRP's utility and value proposition. And guys, we literally know they have been making arrangements. Look, they just made a big deal with the Egyptian bank. They got, in the Southeast Asia, Europe, all over the wide world, they are making these partnerships like crazy. And XRP is literally being used in absolute massive ways. In fact, in the Q4 of 2023, Ripple sold $1 billion worth of XRP to its on-demand liquidity partners for the utilization of XRP in cross-border payments. That right there tells you that it's absolutely being used. Now, guys, something else I think you might want to hear is this right here. Analyst foresees XRP Moonshot reiterates a 4,994% price rally to $27. Recent dip in the cryptocurrency market has not deterred some analysts from expressing optimism about XRP's future price trajectory. One such analyst, Greg Crypto, has identified a potentially bullish technical pattern that could propel XRP towards significant gains if the broader market conditions improve. Greg Crypto's analyst relies on the Fibonacci speed resistance fan indicator, which is used to identify key support and resistance levels based on historical price movements. In XRP's case, the analyst highlights a specific resistance level established by the FSRF during the surge after the pivotal ruling from July 2023. XRP has stayed down since then, unable to claim the 93-cent level it reached after the ruling. However, Greg Crypto believes that the bulls may be preparing for a comeback as the market recovers. This prediction is fueled by several daily closes above the crucial 50-cent level in recent weeks. Sustaining this momentum above the SFRF05 unlocks further resistance levels, including, guys, $0.75, $1, $1.50, and $1.96. Now, according to the analysts, surpassing these hurdles could trigger a wave of fear, FOMO, fear of missing out, and boy, have we ever seen it in every other bull run in this space among investors, potentially propelling XRP towards a staggering $27, which would be a 1,350% increase from the $1.96 mark, which, guys, was the top of the 2021 bull market, $1 and literally about 97 cents. Guys, this is just amazing what we're seeing in this space. And don't kid yourself. Many people were there to watch it just move like that, move like that, move like that, until that one day, pow, off she went. And that's why, guys, I think this is an absolute amazing confluence when you're seeing these TA guys telling us flat out, look, this XRP lagging, this snail pace could be the very thing that wins the race, that literally changes your life, your ability to go out there and pick some of these assets up at the prices that you can get them now, only to see them literally explode down the road. And I'll tell you what, guys, Judy and I, we have done our research, like I love to say. Gone out there and literally have dug up everything that we know, and we are 100% convinced. I absolutely believe it, and that's why I'm out there encouraging you, get out there, do your research. You at least owe it to yourself to at least dig it up and find out for yourself, because I'll tell you what, the day will one day come, like it has happened for all of us for Bitcoin. I believe people are going to look back in astonishment and they're going to say, why, oh why did I not buy? So, guys, one thing for certain is you do not want to be that person that gets caught unprepared when this next bull run absolutely takes off. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one, for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So, guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.